Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do 20 more MCQs on accounting. I request you to please subscribe the channel and like the video. Question first is the primary objective of financial accounting is to A. Provide information for internal decision making. B. Record cash transactions only. C. Provide financial information to external users. D. Prepare budgets. Correct answer is option C. Question number second. Which qualitative characteristic requires information to be capable of influencing decisions? A. Reliability. B. Relevance. C. Comparability. D. Understandability. Correct answer is option B. Question number third. Capital introduced by the owner is recorded as A. Asset. B. Liability. C. Expense. D. Income. Correct answer is option B. Question number 4. According to matching concept, expenses are recorded A. When cash is paid. B. In the same period as related revenues. C. When approved by management. D. At the end of the year only. Correct answer is option B. Question number 5. Which of the following errors does not affect the trial balance? A. Error of commission. B. Error of omission. C. Compensating error. D. Error of principal. Correct answer is option C. Question number 6. Goods withdrawn by the owner for personal use are recorded as A. Drawings. B. Capital. C. Purchases. D. Sales return. Correct answer is option A. Question number 7. Bank overdraft appears under which head in that balance sheet? A. Current assets. B. Non-current liabilities. C. Current liabilities. D. Contingent liabilities. Correct answer is option C. Question number 8. Question number 8. Depreciation is a process of A. Valuation. B. Allocation. C. Appraisal. D. Revenue generation. Correct answer is option B. Question number 9. Which inventory method is not permitted under IFRS? A. FIFO. B. Weighted average. C. LIFO. D. Specific identification. Correct answer is option C. Question number 10. Goodwill is classified as A. Current asset. B. Tangible asset. C. Intangible asset. D. Fictitious assets. Correct answer is option C. Question number 11. A contra entry appears only in A. Sales book. B. Purchase book. C. Cash book. D. Petty cash book. Correct answer is option C. Question number 12. Under accrual accounting, a revenue is recognized when A. Cash is received. B. Transaction is recorded. C. It is earned. D. At the end closing. Correct answer is option C. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a component of cost of goods sold? A. Opening stock. B. Purchases. C. Wages. D. Office salaries. Correct answer is option D. Question 14. The excess of issue price over face value of shares is called A. Reserve capital. B. Securities premium. C. Capital reserve. D. General reserve. Correct answer is option B. Question 15. A contingent liability is recorded in the books. A. Always. B. Never. C. Only when payment becomes certain. D. Only when payment becomes probable. Correct answer is option C. Question number 16. Cash received from a debtor is recorded in A. Sales book, B. Purchase return book, C. Cash book, D. Journal proper. Correct answer is option C. Question number 17. The document that serves as proof of credit purchase is A. Debit note, B. Invoice received, C. Credit note, D. Cash memo. Correct answer is option B. Question number 18. If closing stock is overstated, profit will be A. Overstated, B. Understated, C. Not affected, D. Doubled. Correct answer is option A. Question number 19. The discount allowed to a customer is shown as A. Income, B. Expense, C. Liability, D. Asset. Correct answer is option B. Question number 20. Outstanding expenses are classified as A. Current asset, B. Current liabilities, C. Capital, D. Prepaid expense. Correct answer is option B.